Top money-making businesses in Nigeria is what I'm talking to you about today. All right, let's dive into the top money-making businesses in Nigeria in this year or at any other year. Starting the introduction, we are going to explore the most lucrative business opportunities in Nigeria for this year and for the upcoming year and for many years to come. Entrepreneurship in Nigeria is filled with challenges and is also filled with opportunities. And it is essential to navigate this landscape wisely. One of the biggest challenges faced by entrepreneurs in Nigeria is access to funding and the high cost of doing business. However, in the midst of all these challenges, there are numerous profitable businesses that individuals and corporate bodies can explore to achieve financial success. Now, let's dive into the top money-making businesses in Nigeria. From agriculture to technology, the opportunities are endless. Each of these businesses has the potential to bring in substantial profit, but it's crucial to understand the market and have a solid business strategy in place. First up, agriculture remains a key sector in Nigeria, with opportunities in crop farming, livestock rearing, and agro-processing. The country's vast arable land presents immense potential for agricultural entrepreneurs to thrive and contribute to food security. Moving on to the technology sector, Nigeria's growing digital economy offers opportunities in software development, e-commerce, and fintech. With increasing adoption of technology across various industries, tech-savvy entrepreneurs have the chance to disrupt the market and drive innovation. One stands out of the most promising that we are looking at, and this is real estate. The real estate sector in Nigeria continues to attract investors due to the increasing demand for housing and commercial properties. Investing in real estate presents a great opportunity for long-term wealth creation and for financial stability. Before I go on, I need to mention that the energy sector also is one area that you can go into. Anyone that can provide solution to the power sector problem in Nigeria is going to make money. And that is why those who are selling rechargeable lamp, those who are into solar, those who are into generator, they are still making money because the power sector is experiencing some downtime most of the time. So if you have superior products that can be of help in the area of power generation or solving the power issue in families or industries on a temporary, monthly or quarterly or yearly basis, you are going to smile to the bank because a lot of people are going to subscribe to it. But make sure that what you are bringing is cheaper than what is already on ground in the market in Nigeria. In conclusion, the key to success in Nigeria's business landscape lies in identifying the right opportunities, understanding the market dynamics, and having a solid business plan. The top money-making businesses in Nigeria offer immense potential for financial success for those willing to take the leap. As we wrap up, I encourage you to share your thoughts on the top money-making businesses in Nigeria and explore more business-related content on this channel. Remember, success favors the bold, so don't hesitate to seize the opportunities that come your way. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and chasing your entrepreneurial dreams. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please go ahead now and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, share the link of this video with your family and friends and ask me your questions or your comment in the comment section below. This video popping up here is a next for you to see. See you in the next one. Bye for now.